Today we are looking at a brand new Forsberg 7G destoner or density separator. This machine is used in recycling as well as the seed and grain industry. It can be used to separate plastics, crumb rubber, and lighter particles from heavy particles. It has 2 degrees of separation. Your lighter particles come off here. Your heavy particles walk uphill and are discharged on the opposite side. They are discharged here. As I said, this machine is brand new. It was bought and never used. Here is a look inside the machine. This unit is powered by a ball door Reliance, 10 horsepower, 230, 460 volt, 3-phase electric motor. You can see the unit is brand new. Everything is as it should be, set up from the factory. Very nice look inside the unit. The unit has the grease bank right here for ease of maintenance. This unit has a fine wire deck mesh on it. This deck mesh has 12 wires per inch. As I said, this is a brand new machine, brand new filters, still in the original factory shipping crate. Product is introduced here, and then there is a simple crank on the other side for metering the product into the machine right here. The unit will come with a owner's manual, an operations manual. The unit has the magnehelic gauge here. You can adjust that by changing the airflow going into the filter bank here. As I said, this unit is brand new. It's never been used. It is fresh off the factory floor. Do a walk around of the unit here. We're going to go over the shipping dimensions of this unit now. The width of the pallet here is 76 inches. The length of the pallet is 68 inches. And the overall height from the bottom of the pallet to the top of the machine here is 84 inches. The entire unit and the shipping skid is 1,700 pounds. This is the end of the shipping dimensions. We are now going to move into the machine dimensions and the discharge height and inlet height dimensions. The discharge of the light particles is 34 inches to the bottom of the machine. The screening area of the machine is 43.5 inches long ways, and the screening area width ways is 38.5 inches. Again, this is 12 wires per inch on the screen. The inlet height is 76 inches. That is from the very bottom of the foot here to the top of the inlet here. The discharge of the heavy particles is 54 inches from this point to the bottom of the feet here. This machine is ready for immediate shipment. Thank you so much for watching.